Hey guys, today on Shop Tips, we're going to be showing you how to install the torsion spring into the deck discharge shield. We know that this can be tricky, so we are going to walk you through that. Start off by holding the torsion spring in your hands with the straight leg of the spring on your right and the bent leg going under the straight leg. Take the torsion spring and position the bent leg over the top of the straight leg. With the discharge shield upside down, take the torsion spring and insert the straight leg of the spring through the opening of the discharge shield. Allow the spring to rest while bringing the discharge shield pin through the side of the shield and continue through the spring and shield. Push the pin until it is flush with the shield and it is extended through the other side. Take the discharge shield mount, turn it upside down with the mount pivot on the left side and slide the mount over the discharge shield pin. Take a standard screwdriver and position the screwdriver under the shield mount and above the torsion spring. With the blade of the screwdriver come under the bent leg of the spring. With steady down pressure of the screwdriver handle, position the bent leg of the spring behind the locking tab of the shield mount. With the torsion spring and shield pin installed, take the shield assembly to the corner of a workbench and hold the assembly in a vertical position. With steady pressure on the shield pin, grab both the shield and mount to get the proper alignment for the pin to come through the mount. Last step is to install the cotter rings into the shield pin retaining holes. And that is it, guys. If you have any questions about this or anything else, give us a call or come see us on grasshoppermower.com.